This is Michelle with the Southern Shell, and I'm here with another Christmas in July series. This is my reindeer ornament kits for kids or your grandkids, your children. Put the kits together. You can give them out as gifts, or you can do them together as a family gift, and each kid can have their own. Now, when I did these for my grandchildren last year, I had their names, the names and the year that we did it together when we did it as a FaceTime. So I show you how to put this one together, and then of course what goes into the kit bags so that you can have them all ready to give out or sell or whatever you want to do with them. They're so easy, they're super cute, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So let's get on with the tutorial. So what you're going to need is a pipe cleaner that's cut at 3.5 inches. You need 2 of those. 2.5 inches, 2 of those. 2 googly eyes and a red pom-pom. A wood disc with a hanger. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and loop that hanger through. And so there we have our wood piece. I'm going to make antlers out of these. So this is going to come down about 1 inch. It's going to be centered, and we're just going to twist it. And then we're going to bend that right on up. Once again, down about 1 inch. We're going to twist it. And then the side pieces are going to bend right on up. It kind of looks like a pitchfork. I'm going to trim the tip of that off so it's not sticking out a little too high. So there we have 2 antlers. My hot glue gun is heating up. I have a bag to put the kit in. And so I'll have one sitting out, and we're going to have just our nose right in the middle. So let's go ahead and start with our nose. And our little red nose is right in the middle. And then we're going to put our eyes. We can put them kind of close together. You can put them far apart. I like it a little more cutesy, so I'm going to put them a little closer together. And so I know I have them even. I'm going to turn it upside down. A little bit there. And a little bit there. I'm going to take my eyes and make sure that they're even on there. And they're nice and down. And they're googly. And then we have our antlers, which we're going to glue on the back. So I'm just going to flip that on over. Let's go ahead and just put a nice glob down that chenille stick. And then I'm going to sit it right on the back. Make sure it's in there real well. And I can shape it. I'll do the same on this one. Make sure it's still straight while I get this one on. And this one goes right on the back there, right about the same distance. I want to make sure that they're equal in height and in width. And now I can shape them. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little mouth here. Now to do the little mouth, I'm just going to use a permanent marker. And this is my Firefly alcohol black fine tip. And I'm just going to come from the nose and out, and from the nose and out. So here's the big one. Here are the smaller ones. And I went through my googly eyes and I did some black ones. And I did a set of blue and a set of green. Now the blue and the green I want to give black noses to. And I've cut down my chenille stem, my pipe cleaner. We have 2 1/4 and 1 1/4. And the pom-poms are just way too big to go on this, even though, you know, it's like we think cutesy, it's just not as cute as that one. So what I've done is I've taken my little red buttons, cut my black pom-pom. And then what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to put a little load of hot glue right on that button. And this black bits of pom-pom is going to go right on over the top of that. I'm going to push it right on in there. There's plenty of pom-pom fluff there, or I'm not going to burn my hands. And then it cools really quick underneath because of my glass mat. And so now I'm just going to come around and pull off the extras, and then I'm going to trim all the way around this button. And that is going to be the nose for our little colored eyes. There's that little nose. And this is still one pom-pom left. So all I'm going to need is, oh yeah, that's still one pom-pom left. So these are in there nice and snug. So I'm going to save that. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the red one right in half. Okay, and now I'm going to create my little red ones. Move the rest of our red. We have plenty left there. I'm going to lift this up, trim around the bottom of the button. And the button gives me a really good base. I can just put my scissors right on up to, and there's my little red nose. And let's do the next one. And there's the second little red nose. So there's my noses. I have antlers for this one, and this one, and this one, and I need to cut 2 more little ones for this one. Cute little kit that can be made up and sold at your craft fairs so that the parents can possibly buy the kit and make the ornaments with their kids. As always, guys, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.